Shopping for pellet grills may seem a little confusing at times, but if you focus on a few key features, it's really quite simple. I'll break those down for you today. Let's get started. First thing to consider is which configuration you're looking for, whether you want a freestanding model or a built-in grill. If you're the type of person that likes to maybe bring their grill camping or tailgating, something like that, or maybe you like to cook in different locations at your home, then a freestanding model is probably what you're looking for. If you're the guy who's constantly entertaining and maybe you have a beautiful outdoor kitchen and having a cart in your outdoor kitchen is just not really your style, some of the luxury class pellet grills offer built-in models. Now let's clarify the difference between a vertical pellet smoker and a pellet grill. So a vertical pellet smoker is just what it sounds like. It's a smoker that runs on pellets. These don't hit super high temperatures, and you're not gonna sear on these or anything, but they're great smokers. So if you're the only low and slow guy, or you have a gas grill already and you're just looking for something to handle the low and slow end a little better, then vertical pellet smoker is probably what you're in the market for. If you're looking for a good all-around grill that can definitely do low and slow, but it also can hit the higher temperatures and maybe even possibly sear, then an actual pellet grill is probably what you're looking for. Now let's talk about temperature controllers. Now some of your older models or your big box store type models will use old school analog thermostat technology connected to a digital readout. So on the face, everything looks the same as the more modern and more premium pellet grills, but they are not at all the same. These will have higher temperature swings, usually between 20 and 40 degrees and occasionally even 50 degrees from your actual set temperature. Now with your newer models and your more premium pellet grills, they use PID control. This is proportional integral derivative control. All that really means, it's a lot of big words and it uses a lot of math and formulas, but it continually will give a different output depending on what it needs to do to make the temperature or force the temperature closer to your set temperature. And some of the models even go further than that by being Wi-Fi enabled. There are smartphone apps to where you can set timers from inside your house and check temperatures. Some of them have built-in recipes and even touch screens on some of them. The first class we'll look at is the luxury class of pellet grill. Now, these are made out of the finest materials. They can hit the temperatures all the way up in the searing range, down in the low and slow range, every temp in between. They're engineered for success in every way. Next, we have the premium class. Now these are the kings of the middle tier of pellet grills. They have excellent construction, they look nice, they last a long time, they cook well, they'll hit the high temps, the low temps. They're just good all-around pellet grills. Next up is the practical class. Now these achieve moderate temperature ranges, they look pretty good, they're built pretty well, and they get the job done. Finally, we have the economy class. Now these don't have any bells and whistles, and they're usually only good for cooking at the lower temperatures. You're usually only gonna find these at your big box stores. Let's recap. The things to keep in mind is the configuration you're looking for, whether you want a vertical pellet smoker or an actual pellet grill, the type of temperature controller, as well as the grill's class. Now get out there and go get your perfect pellet grill.